if I told that, but I was in elementary school. That's how young I was.
What started as a trip to visit his uncle and aunt each summer in Sunset, Arkansas, helped to lay the foundation for a lasting legacy for William Woods and his family, built on heritage and tradition, all in honor of Uncle T.
The original. His name is Tillman Green.
In 1968, the family opened its first location on 16th Street and moved to its present location on the corner of MLK and Daisy Bates in 1980, coining itself as the neighborhood's one-stop shop for all things convenient.
Do things a little differently than a convenience store. Convenience plus, you know, grocery items. And our best commodity are the sandwiches.
The famous sandwiches are made from fresh deli meat sold right there inside the store.
And that was the main thing. Gave people a good product, a good price, you know, good service. That's why we still here.
From teaching children the basic skills of counting to serving their favorite after-school snacks,
I like their popsicles.
Wood says it's all about reaching back to bridge the gap for the community that helped to raise him.
Hopefully, I can get the youngsters involved to start their own business.
After seeing generation after generation of customers, Wood says it makes it all worthwhile.
People still say, even no matter where I am, I still hear about Uncle T. Yep, so.
Alexandria, Washington, THV 11 News.